In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a master key on Kraken. Whether you're a seasoned Kraken user or new to the platform, this process is straightforward, ensuring an added layer of security for your cryptocurrency assets. So let's dive right into it and enhance the safety of your trading experience. First of all, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Kraken account. Once you're in, direct your attention to your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu. From this list, you'll want to select the Security option. This section is your go-to place for beefing up your account's defenses, so it's great that you know your way around here. Next, you'll find yourself on the Security Settings page. Here, you want to look for the Advanced Settings section. You may notice that some additional options are hidden initially to keep your dashboard clean and organized. To see everything that the advanced settings have to offer, you need to click on the Show button. Once you do that, the advanced settings will expand, revealing more options that can enhance the security features of your account. Now that the advanced settings are visible, scroll down until you find the Master Key option. The Master Key is an important feature that acts as a backup if something unexpected happens to your first authentication method. Enabling the Master Key ensures that if you ever lose access to your primary authentication tool, say a lost phone or a glitch in an authentication app, you will have a way to regain control of your account without a hitch. It's a safety net, so to speak. Once you locate the Master Key option, you'll see an Enable button next to it. Clicking this button will initiate the process. Depending on your setup, you might need to confirm your choice via email or another form of verification. This step is crucial because it shows you're serious about bolstering your account's protection. And that's about it. The Master Key should now be enabled on your Kraken account. It's a simple yet powerful way to improve your account security significantly. Remember, keeping your trading environment secure is paramount, and features like the Master Key make it easier to safeguard your assets against unauthorized access. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you navigate the process of enabling the Master Key on Kraken swiftly and confidently. Feel free to watch more of our tutorials to become an even savvier trader on the platform. Stay safe and happy trading.